Say what?
The wind will be stronger here than up there. Up there, you're behind the protection of the trees and the woods.
No, but I'm not going all the way up there. I'm going to like that light.
Okay. I thought soccer field was right.
Oh, I thought the soccer field was like in the center.
Oh, okay. Yes, that's right.
I live right next to the soccer field, so you don't know where it is.
There's two soccer fields. I was thinking of the
Oh. What? Feel my face. What? What? You want to go back?
Yeah.
Alright, you can go back. I just want to go into the pavilion. Actually, no, screw that. I'm going home. I don't even know. Oh my goodness. I feel drunk. Ugh. You're home, go drunk. I feel
You okay?
I fell over. What?
What do you weigh?
I weigh 140.
Oh, I weigh 130.
I'm heavier than you.
If the wind
That was a
gets
bad
stronger
joke.
than your weight, probably it knocks you over.
Well, the snow is kind of like, it's not stable, you know?
Oh yeah, no.
You know, but that's a Jason term. You know. Half the time you don't fucking know. Land. Precious land. I'm leaning backwards and I'm not gonna fall over. I might. Oh. Take a what?
Take a picture towards that street.
What?
Cool light, so you can see the wind, the snow going by.
I can see it better when I'm taking a video. Because when I take a picture, all you can see is just.
Oh yeah, that's what I mean. Take a video of the school lights. You see the snow swirl.
I've been taking a video the whole time.
Okay.
I've been getting all of your dumb moments.
Oh no.
standing in a sand parking lot.
Yeah, the wind's blowing it. Look at the waves. There's an island. Let's swim to it.
No? How about you swim? Alright, see ya.